Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we explore the timeless wisdom from the Hadiths that guide us in choosing and cherishing our companions. In Islam, the company we keep holds great importance. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, reminded us in a Hadith, a person is likely to follow the faith of his friend, so be careful whom you befriend. It's not about the quantity but the quality of friendships. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said in another Hadith, do not be people without minds of your own, saying that if others treat you well, you will treat them well, and that if they do wrong, you will do wrong. Our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, emphasized the impact of choosing righteous companions in a Hadith. A good friend and a bad friend are like a perfume seller and a blacksmith. As we conclude, let's reflect on the wisdom of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in guiding our friendships. May our companionship be a source of strength, goodness, and righteousness. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to. Jazakallah khair for joining us.